Institutionalized verbal hygiene. How institutions like courts, universities, offices, media, they introduce verbal hygiene. In literature, style means specific features of writings of a writer. We say this is Shakespeare's style, this is Dickens' style. So we are referring to features of language used by these authors. This is called literary style. It is all about individuality. So in literature, style refers to personal use of language, individual choice of language. But outside literature, style means conformity to rules. You will have to conform to rules, commit to rules. You have to commit to norms of language use. This conformity is imposed by institutions, your university, your organization, makes it binding that you will use language in this way, not in this way. For example, newspaper editors ask you to follow rules which are given in this style guide. The editor will follow them. If anyone breaks these rules, editors clean up your violations. This is the verbal hygiene. Here verbal hygiene enters. The cleaning of language, cleaning from what? The violations of style guides. Same applies to research publications and thesis. When you write assignments, when you write research papers, when you will write your thesis in BS, what would happen? After conducting research, you will write research report and you will be asked to follow a particular style manual. And what is in that style manual? Instructions. Use punctuation in this way, make tables in this way, make figures in this way. You have to follow that, otherwise your thesis, your paper won't be accepted by your supervisor or instructor. Universities, such style manuals, which are very common in universities, one of them is APA, American Psychological Association, and MLA, Modern Language Association. The second style is followed in literature and humanities. The first one is followed in linguistics and other social sciences. Editors follow books, style guides. What is their source of rules? Which rules are imposed by newspaper editors on their sub-editors or language assistants, etc. So the source of those rules are books which are written by conventional, traditional grammar writers, the Oxford Dictionary for writers and editors. So such books are source of those rules. The authors of these guides receive these rules from somewhere else. Now, newspaper editors, they get rules from these books, and these books get these rules from some other source. Ultimate source is never known. So that's why we are saying these rules are received generation after generation and we just follow them. Style rules are, some examples are given here. Don't use first person pronoun when you write a research paper. Don't use write date like this. Do not use small Roman numerals in the body of your paper or thesis. Use punctuation, etc. in this way, not in this way. The process of corrections, including these related with sex and politics, begins from the writer, then it goes to the editors, then it goes finally to the house editor, and after all language cleaning, it is accepted for publication.